Hi everyone, so today I'll be talking about the types of triangles and how we classify them, so as a isosceles, scalene, or equilateral triangle. So the first type of triangle we have here on the left is an equilateral triangle. The second one is an isosceles triangle, and the third one is a scalene triangle. As you can notice that each triangle has different traits, and there are similarities between the triangles, however there are also many differences. So the first triangle I'll be talking about today is the equilateral triangle. So as you can see that this is the equilateral triangle. And one similarity that this equilateral triangle has is that all three of the sides are equal in length. So as you can see that one of the sides, actually all of the sides are 3 centimeters. And you can see that each side has a label saying it's 3 centimeters long. On the lines, you will see this vertical line drawn on one of the side lengths. If all of those are the exact same, that means that each side length is exactly the same. Therefore, the values written on each side length aren't really necessary because you put a symbol on it, indicating that all three side lengths are the same. In an equilateral triangle, all three side lengths are the exact same length, and that will not change in an equilateral triangle. The next triangle is a isosceles triangle. And as you can really see in this triangle, those two lines or symbols that I indicated on the last triangle, there are two of them in this one. And they're on the left side length and the right side length, which are both 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters. The one at the bottom does not have the symbol like the equilateral triangle, and we can make an assumption through this that that side length is not the same side length as the other two with the indicative symbols. So in the definition, two side lengths are the same. And it's very easy to find which triangle it is as we classify these through the three types. And if we notice that the last triangle that I'm going to talk about is that they do not have these indicative symbols. Three of those side lengths are not exactly the same because those indicative symbols are not there. One of the sides is 1 centimeters, another is 2, and another is 3. A triangle with all different side lengths, with none of the same, are called a scalene triangle. There are no exact side lengths, meaning that all of the sides are different and they cannot be classified as an equilateral or scalene triangle. Now here's some ways on how to determine which triangle they're and how to classify them. And here are some practice ones that I'll be giving you in just a couple seconds. So this one, as we can see, I've given you the indicative side lengths. So one is 2 centimeters, another is 2, and another is 1. Through the indicative symbols, which are not located on this triangle, because in every question that you may receive, there will not be those indicative symbols. And so this triangle, there are two side lengths with the exact same side length. And so as we reviewed that previously, this is an isosceles triangle because two sides are exactly the same and one side is not. The third triangle that is given in this example, it has three equal side lengths. One side length is 1 centimeter, and so are the other two. And as we've seen before, a triangle with all three of the same side lengths is called an equilateral triangle. This last triangle has three different side lengths. One side length is 1 centimeter, another side length is 2 centimeters, and another side length is 3 centimeters. And as we reviewed this previously, a triangle with all three different side lengths is called a scalene triangle. Thank you so much for watching, and if anytime you need to review of how to classify triangles in general, and what are the certain characteristics that you need to be looking for in which triangle that you notice, here are some tips and tricks on how to figure that out. Thank you!